Is GrabPoints legit, or is it another survey website that wastes your time and makes it difficult to get paid? In this video, we'll look at how GrabPoints works, how you can earn, how withdrawals work, and whether it's actually worth trying in 2026. GrabPoints is a rewards platform where users can earn points by completing online surveys and other activities. The platform is free to join, and you can use it from a computer or mobile device. The main way to earn is through surveys. After creating your account and completing your profile, GrabPoints shows you surveys that may match your demographic information. You won't qualify for every survey. Some may screen you out because you don't match the requirements, while others may have already reached their quota. You can also earn through different offers and promotions, depending on what's available in your region. Now let's talk about the points. GrabPoints currently uses a simple conversion: 1,000 points equals $1. That means 3,000 points equals $3. And $3 is currently the minimum redemption amount for many rewards. Depending on your location, you may have options such as PayPal, bank transfer, Venmo, prepaid cards, and different gift cards. GrabPoint says most rewards are processed within 1 to 2 business days, while some later rewards can arrive much faster. PayPal and Venmo transfers can normally arrive within minutes, although they can sometimes take longer. So, does GrabPoints actually pay? There is evidence that it does. The platform has thousands of reviews, including recent users reporting successful withdrawals. However, there are also recent complaints from users who say their accounts were suspended and their rewards were not released. GrabPoint says withdrawals are subject to compliance reviews and that accounts can be suspended when its system detects violations of its rules or those of its survey partners. The platform also says points can be frozen because of suspicious activity, bot-like behavior, emulators, false information, or other violations. Some frozen points can remain unavailable for 15 to 45 days while the activity is reviewed. This is something you should definitely keep in mind. If you use GrabPoints, answer surveys honestly, don't use automation or multiple accounts, and follow the requirements of each offer. Now, how much can you make? That's going to depend on your location, profile, and how many surveys you qualify for. GrabPoints currently advertises an average user earning of around $12 per day on its US site, but that's an advertised average, not a guarantee for every user. I wouldn't treat GrabPoints as a full-time income source. It's better for earning some extra money in your free time. So, is GrabPoints legit or a scam? My verdict is legit, but use caution. The platform has a real reward system, a low $3 withdrawal threshold, and many users report successfully receiving their rewards. However, the recent complaints about suspensions and withheld rewards are something you shouldn't ignore. If you want to try it, start with smaller withdrawals, follow the rules carefully, and don't spend hours completing an offer without checking how much it's actually worth. Overall, GrabPoints appears to be a legitimate rewards platform in 2026, but your experience can depend heavily on your account activity and the surveys available to you. So it's not something I would call a scam, but I also wouldn't recommend treating it as guaranteed money.